Welcome back to my channel, guys. I will be decorating my Christmas tree and doing some other Christmassy things. So let's get into
Music by Chris Hayes.
Okay, you guys, as you guys can see, I've already flipped out my tree, put my lights up. I hope it looks good to you guys, but to me it looks good or whatever. Maybe later I'll probably run across something that I need to fix. And as you guys can see, that Nova, my cat, was hanging around. I tried to scare her. I saw it on TikTok, so where if you chase your cat with your Christmas tree, they won't bother it. But as you guys can see, she was still under it, so hopefully she won't mess with it, because I'm not ready for that. But before I continue, I wanted to show you guys, because I'm getting ready to put the ornaments on. Of course, I told you guys in my last video that I wanted to do more of green, black, and then white. Here are my green. Ooh, trying to see if it's going. Green balls, ornaments, and these are DIY. Let's see, here we go. Okay, you can see my name, Nova's name, Kyron's name, Ryland's name. Yes, I DIY'd these with adhesive vinyl, because I do have the machine, not the Cricut, I have the cutter plotter. So we are, let's see, and these black I'm gonna put on. So, and then I have some other little things that I bought from Walmart and Hobby Lobby, because that's my favorite store. If you don't know, now you know. So let's get into putting the ornaments up. want to connect them together to make it more full. So I'm going to take these loose. So let's see. Hope I don't mess this up. So if you guys want to make yours like this, I'm just untwisting this at the back. Oh, it's actually tied. See? Putting them, 2 different bows, putting them together. Probably could have did 3, but didn't cross my mind. Then I'm gonna take this this thing here, go down, see, just like that. And twist it real tight. Real tight, real tight. Oh shoot, I messed up. I forgot to add the bottom part to it. My bad. I'll see which one looks. Yeah. Put this bottom part in there. Then we're gonna twist it. And voila, magic. Okay, you guys, now I am going to DIY my pillow that I got from Amazon. It's like an oblong pillow, I think it's like, yeah, oblong pillow. But they didn't have the color that I wanted. And some of them, well, I did see a couple of them that I kind of like, but you can kind of see through them, and I didn't want this. So I'm going to add my design on here and add some cotton to it. Also, I have 2 greens that I got from Shein, however you pronounce that. And I'm not going to do anything to those, just the white pillow. And I'm going to use my heat press machine to put it on there. So I'm going to let you guys see that too. y'all need to let me know what y'all think. Should I add more? Should I put some black in it? I don't know. Let me know. Oh, and my fireplace is not finished yet. I have to get the guy to come back out and put tile on it, so that's coming soon. This is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you love everything that I did today. So stay tuned for the next video, because I will be decorating my Christmas wreath, and I have to make something also for someone, so for Christmas. So stay tuned for that. I'm not going to tell you what it is. Just be on the lookout for it. As always, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.